Garlic, that small bulb that has been part of humanity since time immemorial, is an ingredient that transcends borders and eras, becoming a symbol of flavor and health. Its history dates back to Central Asia, where it was first cultivated over 6,000 years ago. From its origins, garlic has been revered not only for its ability to enhance the flavor of food, but also for its medicinal properties. In ancient Egypt, garlic was considered sacred. It is said that the workers who built the pyramids were given garlic rations to maintain their strength and health. This reverence for garlic was not limited to the Egyptians, as the Greeks and Romans also incorporated it into their diets, using it in both cooking and medicine. History tells us that gladiators consumed garlic to increase their stamina in the arena, further testament to its value in ancient times. As garlic spread across the world, so did the beliefs and superstitions surrounding it. During the Middle Ages, the idea that garlic possessed protective properties became popular, with the belief that it could ward off vampires and other evil beings. This association with protection is fascinating, as it illustrates how a food can transform into a symbol of defense against the unknown. A bulb-shaped amulet that, despite its strong odor, promised safety. This duality of garlic as both a food and protector has endured through the centuries, making it an essential ingredient in various cultures. Today, garlic remains a pillar in global cuisine. Its versatility is astonishing. It can be enjoyed raw, roasted, powdered, or even as oil. In modern cooking, garlic is found in a wide variety of dishes, from sauces like pesto, which combines its robust flavor with basil and nuts, to stews and stir-fries that incorporate it as a flavor base. Its ability to enhance the taste of food makes it a beloved flavor enhancer around the world. With every bite of a dish that contains garlic, one can feel the history of this ingredient, its journey through cultures, and its evolution in the kitchen. But garlic is not just a culinary delight. Its health benefits are equally remarkable. Studies have shown that garlic possesses properties that strengthen the immune system, helping our bodies combat illnesses and stay healthy. Additionally, it has been proven to reduce blood pressure and improve cardiovascular health, making it an essential ally for those looking to care for their well-being. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties have led to its classification as a superfood, a term that resonates in the health and nutrition world. Incorporating garlic into our diet is not only a way to enjoy its flavor, but also a means to harness its countless benefits. In this context, at Cantina 33, we have decided to pay tribute to this extraordinary ingredient. Our Venezuelan cuisine is enriched by the use of garlic, blending authentic flavors with healthy and delicious options. On our menu, you'll find a diverse selection that includes numerous vegan and gluten-free options, ideal for those seeking a unique culinary experience in Madrid. Every dish we serve is designed to highlight the essence of garlic, allowing its properties and flavor to harmoniously integrate with the other ingredients. Imagine a plate of fried yuca, crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, accompanied by a garlic aioli that takes the experience to another level. Or a arepa filled with a stew of fresh vegetables, where garlic takes center stage, adding a flavorful touch that makes every bite memorable. At Cantina 33, we believe that garlic is not just an ingredient. It's a bridge that connects people through food, an element that invites sharing and enjoyment together. Every dish that leaves our kitchen tells a story of tradition, health, and a love for gastronomy. So the next time you think of garlic, remember not only its rich history and multiple benefits, but also that you can enjoy it in a delicious dish at Cantina 33. So we invite you to come and experience how this humble bulb transforms into a burst of flavors, becoming a vehicle for health and well-being, and how, through our cooking, we celebrate its legacy. With every bite, we'll take you on a journey that begins in Central Asia and ends at your table, a journey that honors the history of garlic and its place in global culinary culture. At Cantina 33, garlic is more than just an ingredient. It's an invitation to explore, discover, and enjoy. We welcome you to experience this culinary journey, where each dish is a celebration of tradition and innovation, and where garlic serves as the common thread that unites flavors and cultures. Don't miss out.